Wax on the outer frames, wax on the inner frames, nectar, not much on the outside, because if nectar's coming in, they won't take it. Probably be the last gallon I feed this hive. So I'm just about ready to close that first hive, and there you go. I had some hive beetles in here, and you can see one dead one right there. So I need to reload these and go into the strong hive now. No hive beetle in that, no hive beetle in that baby. Let's look at a couple of super frames. Look at that. Starting to cap. Starting to cap it over on this side. We'll look at another one. Now first I think we better make sure the queen's not up here. Looking good. Yeah, really. This is heavy already, this super. So I'm gonna bottom super. Wow, that is heavy. All right. See if we can get this super off of here. this is heavy. Oh, I put this new frame in last week, right here. Let's take a look. Brand new frame I put in last week. Wow. Brand new frame, and they got wax on it and filling it full of nectar. I see the next frame has got this. So what we're going to do is simply put another super on. And then queen excluder. Wanted to draw that out, not hinder them. And I'll put this one on top. It's full of bees and honey. Just heavy. Oh. There we go. So 2 full hive bodies full of bees, honey, brood, empty super, empty foundation. I'm not going to feed. I've got a flow going, and I've got a super that's full of honey that just needs to be capped. Put these back on top of it. The hive beetles, which I don't think will be a problem. And I'll put this back on. And we are done.